I bet you didn't know that passive employees can actually be a goldmine for your business. Only a third of employees are engaged at work. This is a shocking statistic. It reveals a significant portion of the workforce that remains untapped. This silent majority is often labeled as passive, a term often associated with negativity. However, this perception couldn't be further from the truth. Passive employees are not disengaged or unproductive, they are simply wired differently. They thrive in environments that value stability, clear expectations, and a steady pace. Misunderstanding these individuals leads to missed opportunities for both the employee and the organization. It's time to challenge the status quo and recognize the hidden potential within this silent majority. By understanding the motivations and work styles of passive employees, organizations can unlock a wealth of untapped potential. They can foster a more inclusive and productive work environment for all. Let's delve into the world of passive employees and uncover the strengths they bring to the table. Please subscribe, like, and comment to stay updated with our latest content. The term passive often carries negative connotations, especially in a work environment that glorifies extroversion and assertiveness. We often picture passive employees as disengaged, unenthusiastic, and resistant to change. However, this stereotype is a gross oversimplification. Passivity, in this context, does not equate to inactivity or disinterest. Instead, it represents a different approach to work, one characterized by thoughtful observation. Passive employees are keen observers, often absorbing information and analyzing situations before taking action. They excel in environments that allow for deep concentration and minimize distractions, leading to high-quality output. These individuals value job security and consistency, often translating into long-term commitment and dedication to their roles. By recognizing these traits as strengths rather than weaknesses, we can begin to appreciate the unique value proposition passive employees bring to the table. There are common concerns surrounding passive employees. Some believe they lack the drive or ambition to excel. Others worry they might stifle innovation or hinder progress. These concerns, while understandable, stem from a misunderstanding of their work style. Passive employees are not devoid of ambition, they simply express it differently. They find motivation in mastering their craft, delivering consistent results, and contributing to a stable work environment. Their quiet dedication often forms the backbone of successful teams and organizations. Similarly, their preference for stability doesn't equate to resistance to change. They simply prefer change to be well considered and clearly communicated. They value transparency and thoroughness, ensuring smooth transitions and sustainable progress. In today's fast-paced, ever-changing business landscape, stability is a valuable asset. While some thrive on constant change and disruption, others find it overwhelming and counterproductive. This is where passive employees shine. Their inherent preference for stability and predictability makes them invaluable assets during times of transition or uncertainty. Their loyalty to their roles and their commitment to delivering consistent results provide a sense of calm and continuity. They become the anchor that keeps the ship steady during turbulent times, allowing others to navigate the changing tides. Moreover, their deep understanding of established processes and systems makes them excellent mentors for new hires. They help to onboard and integrate new team members seamlessly, ensuring a smooth knowledge transfer and maintaining organizational knowledge. While often perceived as resistant to change, passive employees can be powerful drivers of innovation. Their strength lies in their ability to observe, analyze, and identify areas for improvement within existing systems and processes. They are less interested in disruptive innovation and more focused on incremental, sustainable progress. Their thoughtful approach allows them to identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas for optimization that others might overlook. They are often the ones who come up with practical, implementable solutions that streamline operations and increase overall efficiency. Furthermore, their meticulous nature ensures that any proposed changes are well thought out and thoroughly vetted, minimizing risks and maximizing the likelihood of successful implementation. Shifting our view of passive employees. It's time to challenge the prevailing narrative that equates passive with ineffective or unproductive. By shifting our perspective and recognizing the inherent strengths of passive employees, we can unlock their hidden potential and create a more inclusive and productive work environment. Let's move away from labeling individuals as simply passive or active. Instead, Let's embrace the diversity of work styles and recognize that each individual brings a unique set of strengths to the table. By fostering a culture that values different perspectives and work styles, we can create a more harmonious and productive workplace where everyone feels valued and respected for their contributions. Creating an inclusive environment for all. Creating an inclusive environment for passive employees requires understanding their needs and preferences. Clear communication, well-defined roles, and a structured work environment are crucial for them to thrive. Providing opportunities for them to work independently, without unnecessary interruptions, allows them to leverage their deep focus and produce high-quality work. Managers should adopt a coaching leadership style, providing guidance and support while respecting their need for autonomy. Recognizing their contributions, even if they are not always vocal or self-promoting, is crucial for boosting their morale and engagement. By creating an environment where passive employees feel valued and respected, organizations can unlock their full potential and benefit from their unique strengths. Embracing the strengths of every team member. Let's move beyond the stereotypes and embrace the diversity of work styles within our organizations. Let's recognize the value that passive employees bring to the table. Their stability, loyalty, meticulousness, and ability to drive incremental innovation. Let's create work environments that cater to different personalities and work styles, fostering a sense of belonging and inclusivity for all. By harnessing the strengths of every team member, we can build stronger, more resilient, and ultimately more successful organizations. The key takeaway is this: passive does not equal ineffective. It's time to rewrite the narrative and recognize the silent powerhouses within our workforce. Further exploration and discussion. This essay is just the beginning of the conversation. There's much more to explore about the value of passive employees and how to create inclusive workplaces that leverage the strengths of every individual. I encourage you to share your thoughts, experiences, and insights on this important topic. Let's continue the dialogue and work together to build a more inclusive and productive future of work. For further exploration, I recommend checking out resources on different work styles, personality types, and inclusive leadership. Let's keep learning, growing, and creating workplaces where everyone can thrive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.